Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ram 2500 Laramie long box equipped with a Sport Appearance Package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our LED daytime running lights, and under the hood sits a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that produces 370 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped is an aftermarket leveling kit as well as 20-inch fuel wheels with 35-inch tires. And we also have our heated power folding mirrors, as well as keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as our trailer hitch receiver. This Ram has a towing capacity up to 16,750 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic headlight controls. This Laramie is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as Husky all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. This Laramie is also equipped with an aftermarket tuner, as well as push-button start, and an Alpine sound system. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.